I'm very excited for this opportunity to tell you about RedEva. Based on EvaTure's award-winning natural language processing technology, RedEva enables travel agents to search for flights, hotels, and cars using simple free text queries. The RedEva app has been on the App Center for a few months now, but it's constantly evolving. And today I'm very happy to show you a new feature that's just about to be released that enables to complete ticketing through a form-driven process without any knowledge of cryptic commands. RedEva is faster than using point and click and much easier than using cryptic commands. It's a great tool for new travel agents, agents that are new to Sabre, or just service professionals that need to work in a Sabre environment without a lot of training, for example, in call centers. Even for experienced travel agents, it's a great tool to run complex queries that are not often used quickly and efficiently. So with that in mind, let's see RedEva in action. Okay, so I'm not going into how you download and install Eva. This is pretty straightforward. We do offer a free trial, so I highly encourage you to just download the app and try it out. Once you do, you have this RedEva pane, which basically looks like any chat tool. You have a place to prompt text here, and let's try and do things. Let's say I want to search for a flight from New York to Boston on Friday, return on September 2nd. So you can see that Eva reiterated what it is that I'm searching for on the top here: return flights from New York City, New York to Boston, Massachusetts, departing on August 29th and arriving back on September 2nd. And you can see the cryptic code here, and it's actually been executed in the emulator. So it's already been ran, and you can see the results. Now you can easily modify those results by typing things like with United. So you see the cryptic command has been changed, executed, and now all the results flights are with United. Now for the really, really cool part. Let's say you want a hotel for the trip. So I can just type hotel. You can see immediately there's a cryptic command. Eva assumes that since I haven't specified anything else, this is for Boston and for the entire duration of the trip, and you get hotels. It's just as easy as that. And let's say I want a car. Yep, same thing. Car. And it's searching, and you got car offers for the trip. How cool is that? Very efficient, very fast. Now I want to point out a few things in the Eva app. On the top here, there's a feedback button. We love feedback. So please click on it if you have anything to tell us. We'd love to hear your thoughts about what is missing or what you want to see in RedEva. We promise to read everything, and if you leave us your email, we'll reply promptly. Also, if you want to start a new search, there's a reset button over here that says I want to start something new. So I'll click it, and we can try some more things. Let's try something more complicated. Let's search for fly from New York to LA on Friday, and from San Diego to New York on Monday. Now, this is an Arung search. You fly to one destination and you return from another. This is not a trivial cryptic command. A lot of even experienced travel agents don't remember how to do that. But with Eva, it's really straightforward. You just say what you want and you get the results. Let's look at hotels. Let's say I want a hotel in Paris for 2 adults. With a gym and a swimming pool. I like those. And I want all of that for under 300 euro per night. So that's a lot of information. But if you notice, I actually haven't specified when do I want to check into my hotel in Paris. So Eva would ask. Anytime that Eva lacks information, you don't specify something, or something is unclear, Eva would ask. And I can say, I want to go on October 1st. And how many nights? I want 2 nights. And there you go. This is a complicated search command that's been done very, very easily with Eva. Now, some travel agents actually don't want to use the app, but actually want to use the emulator. They like to do everything from the emulator, so you can actually do that. I can go here and type Eva in the actual emulator, and you go to a different prompt. And now I can do search from here. I can do things like fly from JFK to SFO tomorrow, and I can do spelling mistakes, which is also fine because Eva understands. And you get flight results. It's as easy as that. So everything can be done in the emulator. Now, and by the way, you can exit by clicking another enter, and you're back to your regular prompt. So what do you do now? You have search results. How do you proceed? So let's say I like, in this case, I like itinerary option 3. I can type things like cell 3, and I will get this activated, and I get a pricing and everything. And now I'm going to show you the tool I talked about earlier. You have this button here that says complete PNR. I'll click on it, and you go into a form-driven process that allows you to complete the booking without any knowledge of cryptic. You can put in here things like mandatory fields like name, so I'll type in my name. And you can say your age, birthday, or just specify that you're an adult. You can add other passengers as well if you like. You need to add a phone number, which is mandatory. And that's pretty much it. There are a lot of other fields you can just NPNR now, or you can input a lot of other information like, for example, frequent flyer numbers, or you can select seats for flights, or put in a payment form. Everything you see in this widget now is fully customizable per agency. You can tell us what you want to see here in the process, and we'll implement it for you. Very, very straightforward. We're also working on integrating with Sabre profiles. So a lot of this information will actually be pulled automatically based on the traveler profile, the agent profile, or the agency profile. So now that I've done with that, I'm gonna just click on End PNR. And you can see here that there are all the encrypted commands of what's going to be executed. If I like that, I could just click on Activate Selected Commands. I can send an email to the user, or I can just choose to end transmission after ticketing. I can click on that, and that's it. Okay, I got a confirmation, I got the booking done without any complications or any extra knowledge.